Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch step by step. First, let's gather your essential tools. You'll need a variety of pencils, from hard to soft, a good quality paper, and a reliable eraser. Find a comfortable spot with ample lighting to begin your creative journey. Understanding basic pencil grades, like 2B for darker lines and 2H for lighter ones, will greatly enhance your drawing control. Now that you have your tools ready, let's start with the fundamentals. Begin by sketching simple geometric forms such as circles, squares, and triangles. These basic shapes will serve as the building blocks for your subject. Use very light lines to establish the overall proportions and placement of elements on your paper. Breaking down complex objects into these simpler forms makes them much easier to draw. With your basic shapes in place, it's time to add details and bring your sketch to life. Refine your initial forms by adding specific contours and smaller features. Next, explore shading techniques to create depth and volume. Experiment with cross-hatching, where you use intersecting lines, or stippling, which uses dots. Blending with a tortillon or your finger can also create smooth transitions and rich textures. Finally, let's refine your sketch to achieve a polished look. Step back and review your drawing for accuracy, making any necessary adjustments to proportions or details. Use your eraser to clean up any stray lines and to create highlights, adding a sense of light. For emphasis, consider adding a final layer of darker lines to key areas, making your sketch truly stand out. Practice regularly to improve your skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.